Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel my AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom you see your account section, and then at the top you see my orders tab, and here find view all button. And here from this list you should find the order that you want to cancel, then tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button called cancel order, and you will be requested to select a reason for your cancellation. Just select one reason that fits you the best, and of course submit cancellation request. And basically you will get your refund from 3 to 20 business days depending on your payment method. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.